shut down.
When 6 people get shot, we're going to do everything we can to protect public safety.
Kicked out.
They pushed the crowd outside when shortly after an altercation took place. A short time after, gunshots rang out and the crowd began running.
Everybody walked out here, no issue, there was no fight, there was no argument, no altercations at all.
And fighting back.
We just want what's right, that's all.
Now, the bar closed after Sunday's shooting in the Flats is taking Cleveland to court.
6 people were shot following the Browns' home opener. News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison has followed the developments closely all week and is live there tonight.
All right, Sarah, once again, the bar's owners say, don't blame us.
That's right, Rob and Katie. And Katie, as you said all week, I've been telling you how the owners of Play Bar and Grill say the city's actions were unfair. So now they have filed a complaint and a motion for a temporary restraining order in Cuyahoga County Court. Here's one of the reasons that they say the city's actions are unfair. In 911 calls that you're about to hear, some of the callers name another bar as the location of the shooting, and that bar is still open.
Cleveland Police Dispatcher Ware, how may I assist you?
Could you just get the call? This is fire. 4 shots fired at West 10th and Main.
This was the initial 911 call about Sunday's shooting on the east bank of the Flats. It was made by fire personnel, already on the scene to help clear big crowds following the Browns' home opener.
We have Tower 1 in that area. They just called multiple shots, multiple people down.
Did they get any other info?
No, they were trying not to get shot.
Within 4 minutes, there were 11 other calls. 3 give Play Bar and Grill as the shooting's location.
Do you need police? You have fire or EMS?
Please, and EMS.
Just the location.
It's at the Cleveland Flats outside of Play Bar and Grill. There's a shooting. There was lots of shots fired.
Within hours, the city boarded up and shut down the bar. Yesterday, their landlord said he terminated their lease, but no action was taken against Margaritaville, even though 4 911 calls came from the restaurant, including one from a panicked man.
Cleveland 911, Dispatcher Spencer, you need police, fire,
Police. At Margaritaville, in the flat. They're shooting.
Another call came from a woman who saw a person with a gun.
Do you need police, fire, or ambulance?
At least police. Somebody just shot a gun in Margaritaville.
Okay, you're in Margaritaville?
Yep.
1 second. Did you get a look at the shooter at all?
I did. Well, I saw somebody with a gun. I'm not sure if he was the shooter.
Police say at least 40 shots were fired by 4 different guns. 6 people were shot, including one who was arrested in connection with the shooting. Police say the shooting wasn't the only reason they shut down Play Bar and Grill. They say it has a history of problems. Monday, Safety Director Wayne Drummond denied it has anything to do with race, even though the owners say they are the only black-owned business in the Flats.
Race has nothing to do with this. It's all about safety. Our response from the Law Department, Division of Police, is all about safety, and that's why we acted the way we did.
I asked Cleveland Police today if they know if the shooting did in fact start here outside of Play Bar and Grill, but they didn't have any answers on that tonight. I also asked about the identities of the shooters and the conditions of the victims. But again, Cleveland Police are not talking tonight. They say they're keeping quiet because this is an active and ongoing investigation. Live in Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison.
Yeah, Sarah, there's still a lot of pieces to put together. Thank you for that.